find very quickly where there's knowledge silos, right? And
Yeah.
you can kind of like bring it forward, but you do have to be diplomatic. And at PwC, I know you've done a lot more of these than I do. How do you
Welcome
remain like?
to my
What's a tip out
stream,
there
where
for like
knowledge
internal
reigns
audit
supreme.
folks or people
Calm and
doing these?
collected,
How do you remain
I'm
like
about to go
I don't
live,
know what
you
the right
know what
term is,
I
but not
mean.
incriminating?
Got high expectations, gonna teach you something new. Learning, hacking, exploring, there's so much we can do. Feel the excitement as we dive into uncharted lands. New discoveries await in this digital wonderland. Together we'll unravel the secrets, unlock the code. No limits, no boundaries, no knowledge will explode. Welcome to my stream where the fire of knowledge burns bright. Chat with me, let's embark on this journey of delight. From the basics to superpowers, we'll learn and grow. In this stream of knowledge, together we'll grow. Welcome to my stream, where knowledge reigns supreme. Calm and collected, I'm about to go live, you know what I mean. Got high expectations, gonna teach you something new. Learning, hacking, exploring, there's so much we can do. Feel the excitement as we dive into uncharted lands. New discoveries await in this digital wonderland. Together we'll unravel the secrets, unlock the code. No limits, no boundaries, no knowledge will explode. Welcome to my stream where the fire of knowledge burns bright. Chat with me, let's embark on this journey of delight. From the basics to superpowers, we'll learn and grow. In this stream of knowledge, together we'll grow. Welcome to my stream, where knowledge reigns supreme. Calm and collected, I'm about to go live, you know what I mean. Got high expectations, gonna teach you something new. Learning, hacking, exploring, there's so much we can do. Feel the excitement as we dive into uncharted lands. New discoveries await in this digital wonderland. Together we'll unravel the secrets, unlock the code. No limits, no boundaries, no knowledge will explode. Welcome to my stream where the fire of knowledge burns bright. Chat with me, let's 60 superpowers will.
Hi! Oh, I saw them muted there for a bit, right? So, let's see. When I was starting stream, at first time it crashed, you know? And then I checked, so, am I not online on this? And then I saw, oh, cybersecurity is online. So, I hope it's okay both for him and you that I have it on in the background here. So, I just realized that this page worked. Let's see here. I just started doing a few web ones. And let's see. Yeah. So I've clicked that button several times. So it was this here, right? And it didn't work until now. So this is the first time I saw this. So apparently this is your like cyber range ACET certification level, right? So yeah. I noticed that we just did 2 of the, this is probably the buffs, right? We should do more of those. But I just started with the web ones, so I did these now. Yeah, so let's continue with the web ones. Cool that this page works. So let's actually copy this URL and let's put it somewhere. Where should we put this? My phone says click here. I should close it off there. Oh. Yeah, so I'm seeing he's got my message up there. I just said hi. Hi, of course, right? So, this one we need to put somewhere. Right, I should have like a link page. I've thought about it before. So, my god, that's a big box for just typing. Antisyphon link here. I'll see that, right? Yeah, so the current ones that I'm doing are web ones. I did update the page, right? So they all disappeared, the ones that are already finished. So let's continue with them. And of course you have to listen to let's do a shout out of cyber insecurity. There. Follow and check the streams out. Very nice guy. Cyber insecurity. And very interesting streams. So let's close that one. Yeah, from the buff one we did, I think we only did 1 though. But why did have 2? Well, I don't know. So we did 1 buff one, and it was like not really even a buff because it was just overflow the buffer and you win thing. But they suggested we do this, so let's do it. And let's actually see if I'm online here now. Yeah, so I'm online too. I'm on the top just because I've been streaming too much. Yeah, this is another room. Let's actually put this one here. So if I need to edit images, we can use that. That was just a tool that was used to create one of the CTF images. Right, the decompilation. Well, let's put it here too, but at the bottom. Yeah, I needed to be in Tokyo for one of them. So, let's go for the next one. Barry's web application. I made this cool new application that I plan to use to host a blog. So this is why we can have stuff on, because I'm going to just... Here's Neil and Jonas. So now we can hop to the right screen. Yeah, this was the last. It was just, oh, you're not allowed to get a cookie, and just like, oh, there's a cookie. It said false. There was some other ones there too. Well, well, let's just clear it because there's a lot of stuff there. So that's why. That one we have already. Let's update this one too. I have it up on both sides so I can see the question at the same time, and I can answer over there if I want to. So this is the one I just read here. So let's go to the page. Host a blog, check it out. Right now it's still currently being built. So Barry's web server. So let's not actually look at the source here. Let's do it in burp instead. I also have SAP up because I thought I would, you know, explore. So we got redirected here. There's not much here. So the error message. So I'm assuming there will be something very easy here. We could just check like so nothing there. Web up. I'm thinking we shouldn't change this one, right? Or maybe we can. Like, see if there is something here. Dev, it also says. So we got hopped back to that page, right? That's what happened first. Whatever. This is just nothing. I guess, should we try? I'm not comfortable with SAP. I've used it once. I'm go-bustering this thing. That's what we're doing. So let's see if we find any other things. Oh, I want my history. Well, let's just take a normal one here. Though I realized I maybe shouldn't use 64. Maybe that's a bit much. Should we do like 30? 32 would be more even. Let's just check burp what it was. So I just realized you don't have to hear this. Oh, you don't even hear it. Right. Oh, because I felt a bit bad about having his audio on. But you can have his stream on too at the same time. I was lowering the volume. Then I don't have to. Oh, then I don't have to excuse myself for watching something when you can't even hear it or listen to something. I wouldn't have started streaming probably. Would have checked his. I think it's not that much done or left on it. But I kind of wanted to start streaming as I'm doing this, you know, so I might as well stream it. Yeah, Go Buster. Let's grab that. Oh my. Sorry. Yeah, so I did sleep kind of late till 11 or something today. I've been sick, so I put my alarm late. I'm trying to, you know, get rid of the cold. So, oh my god, my nose. Heard this host one media problems. Can I just copy this? Copy URL. So we don't have to have the index bit here though. There. Oh gosh, double HTTP. I'm a bit curious now if that's the right way to put the port. I don't remember. Yeah. It seems to be working. So we knew already that was there, right? And this is not recursive. But I'm curious if there are other stuff in the base folder. So let's, by the way, I actually started SAP on one site, but I found it, the thingy, I found it at once as soon as I looked at it in burp, the code. It was a cleartext password. So let's see if it can spot it here. It did some kind of scan here, like GoBuster, I guess. I don't know what these are. If this is the GoBuster similar one. But it does... Okay, so it's more like going on the links. Right? Not the site. This is on the site. Exploring this while we wait. Yeah. So it's trying stuff here. Okay. Trying to send addresses here. Now we'll have to test this on a page that I don't like solve at once. Oh. Yeah, so maybe this was not the best one to do it on. It's not on a different port or anything, so it thought the main page was okay. At least it does this. Where is it? Out of scope. So, how do I like look at the request and the response? Request editor, maybe. So, since this was not a... Well, it has a specific number there, right? Is there like a limit to the scope? Let's see what Gobas res is found. Nothing more. So we should probably do the dev directory instead. But and I did slow it down. We still get a few errors. So 30. I might actually get some new water. It's out. Let's do that. So we'll be right back. Yeah, so I have some C vitamin in the water. So I have to split it to get it in there. Extra nice water, and hopefully getting rid of my cold too. Like this fizzy stuff in my fingers. There. So this is slow. GoBuster is always boring. Let's actually see if we can multitask a bit, right? We got a 403. Okay, whatever. I shouldn't show those, I think. Documentation API that allows you to look up a phone number for a person and vice versa. Public APIs are documented here. I got an add-on on that other stream. It was kind of noisy. Yes, I really don't need more than this screen for this, right? Because we can just tab to this. And let's read the next one. Because we can multitask these, right? Here is the documentation for an API that allows you to look up phone numbers for a person and vice versa. The public APIs are documented there and are free to use, but you'd like to get access to the private APIs without paying for a subscription. Can you figure out how? Okay, so let's put this one after here. So APIs. I've really not messed a lot with those. That's the thing I need to learn more. So get phone number, sending name. Okay. Get name, send a phone number, I guess, right? And then we have list all endpoints, returns list of all public APIs. So let's just go to this, and those private endpoints were very private apparently. I thought we would have to do something more than this. So flag. Okay, so create a key first. So we don't even have to go to like burp or anything here. So yeah, I shouldn't complain. This is great. This is great, right? It's great. So duplicating this one too. So now we got 2 keys. That was not on purpose though. No, it's the same key. Yeah. Ah, invalid key. List, create key. So what did it say over here? Flag question mark key equals, and then the key. So let's update this one. Yeah, there is a new key, and then we use that key here then. Flag key. Why? Maybe we'll burp it anyway. So we can see the full actual response on request. And there's no cookie at least. So create key. I'm like, what did it say more? Did I miss something? Require API key. And this is also get. That's what I was checking really. Oh. Let's just put the key here without any other character and see if that helps. Just me, probably that. Yeah. So if we just remove those, it would have worked in the browser too. So let's put this one in here. Let's see if the last one is done with its GOBA string. So I'm kind of tired of this, but it's 95%, 96. Let's look at the next one while it finishes, and then we'll do the other directory. Somehow, Back to the Future. Somehow you got connected a network from the future, and you found this site. Unfortunately, your browser is too outdated to open it. First of all, the site was built for a Chrome Android browser. Secondly, though, since there is some authentication token on the site that doesn't let you in. Okay. So we're going to add dev now and see if it can find stuff under dev. There's docs, web app. So docs, we didn't go to docs. It's a bit glitchy. Sometimes when you right click, you see it right clicks and then there's actually go to the link, but it disappears too fast for you to see it even. Oh, this was interesting, this one. So documentation, list, and then different ones here. I've got a tiny fly, let's see. So here's this one. So on dev, actually, I think I've got it all right. So here's the flag. They're not mega complicated, these, but it's fun, right? It's fun. And I thought that the first one would be like SQLi when there was a login, but it was clear text password. I'm guessing we will get to that too, right? Don't let your directories be listed. Let's abort the poor GoBuster thingy. Yeah, and it should be kind of quick, right? Let's clear this. So refresh there. Thinking we'll close this down because it does take memory, right? But I will need to play with it. But let's close it for now. This is because we've been downloading a lot of files. So there's been a lot of file-based ones. So let's just update the pages. So now we have the actual one we're doing first. So let's continue with this one. Future. Nah? Your browser is not up to date. You're not authorized to get the answer. So we have two things to check out. So let's just look at it in. I'm like, where is it? I'm still listening to at the same time, sorry. So the first request here. The document has moved to access, and this was, oh, it's just adding a slash there. Authorized to get answer false. Browser Mozilla. Expected Chrome 100. Okay, so let's change our user agent. Here I'm dancing to music you can't hear. So the stream I was listening to will end it, so you have my full attention. Oh, Panda! Oh, the TTS. Oh, right, yeah, it crashed. The stream crashed at first. I didn't start again. Let's do this. Now we have TTS again, cause YouTube, Chrome crashed and OBS crashed too. So I guess using Chrome is not the best thing really, but it's not like I have any alternatives. So Panda, your name is hidden in an endpoint. Here. Hello, my name is hidden endpoints. Can you find me? So sorry for, as you can see here, I started stream 3:47 whatever, then it crashed, and then I was like, okay, let's wait for a bit. So this 5-minute timer and some more stuff had finished. And then it started again. But then that's when I noticed that cybersecurity was streaming. So we will have to change our user agent here to Chrome 100. So we're in the future. Let's just... So all the versions seem to have like slash there, right? Alright, we'll have to forward it to Peter first before we can play. So let's just send this one first. We have the data here. So we want Chrome 100. Oops. Okay, I just deleted too many characters. And then we need authorized to, but let's send this one. Send. Now we should have, hopefully. No, it wanted a space there. So let's send it now then. So I guess we copy this and we add it. And we'll see if this works. It's like it added a new thing, right? And it still says false. Your browser is up to date, but you're still not authorized to get the answer. So is this supposed to be a cookie? So we had a cookie one because I'm like, how was the format for cookies now? Cookie colon and then equals, right? That's the cookie. We can copy this. If that's what it wants. Oh, it's actually there. We didn't need to do anything, we just needed this. No? I copied the wrong thing. I wanted to copy this one now. Control Shift. Control Space. Control Space. There. Programmers have a sense of taste too. Answer style color green. Okay, so we're missing the graphics of it. It's now green. So the future site. I'm thinking if I should get something to eat. But who needs food when you have chocolate? So I have this chocolate. So I guess it's not very much food in it. ICMP Smart Home Protect System. ICMPs. Right, so this was something we had before, probably, like a company called it. A login page to make it secure. No, we have SQLi. And then I'm guessing the first one is very basic, right? So what if we just wait? That was interesting. So it's for learning. So what were we supposed to do? I'm getting like fascinated with the site, so I don't remember. Login page. The developer told us it was a login page. We didn't even try to type something normal. Yeah, so whatever we type, we get to this page. That's why it says that's what the developer told you. As one of the security members, it's your job to test the page for an SQL injection flow so you can get it to list the full database. Okay, your query was yeah, as you might have seen there, we already had unions and stuff. So I kind of want to have this up the other one too. Even if I don't feel anything, I think it will hop up this one, right? Now I'm curious on the source here. Does it even use those? Form group. Submit. So nothing, and we get this page anyway, and now we see that we had nothing. So what's this? Use the largest ingredients machine learning artificial intelligence technology powered by blockchain and smart contracts to keep your home safe. That's what Car Protect does. So I'm just checking. Come on, this thing. Okay. Did you see that? There's a bonus flag. So if I hadn't looked, built by ICMP Industries, just ping us. Oh, this is funny. Didn't I even see this? Oh, sorry. I had stuff selected. So we have a bonus flag here, so it's a bit fun. Come on. Copy. And the bonus flags you have a button for. I think this is the third one. What? Yeah, okay, so it lists them. Okay. So it lists them there. That's nice, so you don't have to remember how many you have. But there's no like list where to find them, right? So if I hadn't moused over these, I wouldn't have seen that one. Should probably check for flag and everything. Or just read the source. SQL. Yeah, so how do we get the full thing? And I guess we don't really need the full thing, right? It'll be somewhere, a flag somewhere easily accessible. But it said like yeah, okay. That's the solution to all problems. Control A, delete. So where did I read that thing? It's probably the instructions for the task, right? So sorry, I'm updating that again. It's nice to know what you finished, and if I type in that one, it doesn't update on this one. So your job is to test the page for any SQL injection flaws and see if you can get the full to list the full database. Yeah, let's get my SQLite notes, and I'll have some. By the way, I just added keyboard here. Keyboard command, where is it? It's there. Because the Antisyphon VM had American keyboard on it. So so SQL and maybe my start here. No, that's useless. Yeah, but my nose started itching now, so I'm going to sneeze. I feel a little better every day. Thanks. I did sleep more today. Yesterday I was stupid enough to not turn off my normal alarm, though I was thinking that I will be home and rest. So today I slept until 11 or something. So, resting it away, you know? So I think this is probably where I have all my... No? Yeah. First of all, of course, we need to know what database is this, but maybe we'll just assume it's MySQL. Because it's probably, like, easy, right? I just have to check my files. Nose is itching, otherwise I'm quite good. Yeah, and this is just like create database commands. Just have that in there too. And then normal SQL commands. Oh right, this were my old examples that I sent someone in Discord, so I was like, yeah, let's let's bring those into the notes too. Yeah, so this is the SQLi one. Let's actually make a link here for it. So SQL. Oh, right. That's why I usually use only the public one. Why am I not? This should be my root here. Because I don't want to get when I search other people's stuff. It's not very nice to, you know, you're trying to search and find something in your notes and you're getting hits on other people's things. Those other things are old too. So it's a public we want, really. So now we can search for stuff without getting other stuff. It's when I'm sorting I need the other one only. Where were we? So let's hop back to SQL and let's click the link now that we just made. And we're just checking for the database commands. I'm also looking if I don't like it, you know, but we want to like get the basic data on the database. So here, get the database name might be nice. Yeah. So first we need the number of tables. We could do the order by one. But we don't really get a response here, do we? Let's see if we do just a union select, right? Because I had those already up. So this is interesting. So I had one with a lot of thingies. So No error, nothing. Oh, look. They even had this here. So it's 7 colors. We didn't even need to test it. It's just there. So gosh. So what do we really want? Should we do something? We don't have any questions. Select star from users where. Okay, so that's the only thing. It's email it's asking for. Okay, that's where email. Okay. So let's actually move these. So I'm thinking where email equals to whatever or something. Well, we could do the shitty one, right? Which is kind of like we have or 1 equals 1 here. It already had star, so I was like, we don't need to do anything. But it's cheating, right? Hello, you sweet SQL injection flag. So why did I even think on not just try the default basic thingy? But I guess you should think, right? So I'm more like, are there more things in this? But we already had a bonus flag. So let's just say it's done. Clients are always right. You can also see how many people did the one. 400 on this and 350 on these. I'm like disappointed. I want more from this database now, but I don't want to waste time because I have only limited. Let's see if we go here. I think I can see. I have to click dashboard to see how much time I have left on the site. 4.1 days, right? So we have 4.1 days, and then I can't access this anymore. So I want to answer as many as possible by that time, meaning I won't dig into things that I would want to, but that are not like probably leading to something. So, new site. Hello. Just. Jag kommer. Jag ska sätta upp lappen också, gubben. My, I'm cold. It's cold outside this room. I want it warm. Ah, right. This one is clients are always right, and this is customer is always right. This is such a core value for a company that we have extended this belief to the clients that access our site. We hope everyone can see how much we care about our clients. So, please fill out the field. So I guess username. Yeah. Login failed. Please try again. Yeah, so we go into burp and seeing what it looked like, right? Oh, it's a lot of stuff here and again. Actually, delete selected items. Let's just do this again. So, nothing much in here, right? What? Event log. I haven't seen the event log before. So why did nothing happen here? Because this wasn't loaded. So reload the page. So it is then like JavaScript or something. Nothing but sent. Auth.js. So we're supposed to look at it. STSN for super duper secret. Password. It's so secret because we care about our clients' security. Of course we'll have to see what this is. Okay. Is that it? That's very odd. Oh well. We'll see if it's right. It's the password. What about this then? Oh. I'm trying to scroll and it's not selected. So yeah, I shouldn't stay on it when it's done, right? So I entered the password on this one, so next. There might be like more of the hidden ones, but if I don't get them at the same time, I'm not going for them. We're back in business with a new and improved login page. At least according to the developer, it may look the same. He has assumed you, assured you, that is much more secure against SQL injection than the old version. I don't remember the old version. There's been so many by now. We could actually look at that on the yeah, so I saved it in a notepad, this link. Here we could see how many of each type we had done. That's kind of nice, right? So web, we've now done 12 web today. I thought it's better to do the web ones at the same time, right? Instead of doing one, doing something else, doing one, you'll just get like, oh, look and see if it's, this shouldn't work now, right? Same look, better security. It's escaping here. The character. Lol. Yeah, that's very cute. So this is the username. Okay, come on, I just wanted to click. Oh, it's escaping all of them. Good. So what now? We need to do it in the password one. Ah, that's annoying. And it's doing it there too. Okay. Let's just delete that so we have one place. This shouldn't work anyway, but let's see what it does. Let's do the lots of different things and see what it does with this. Oops. By the way, let's actually go to Burp. We shouldn't have that much things, so we could just get one of these. Username. So auto scroll. So it will hop there. Okay, so it had the same name. That doesn't matter. Or maybe this is where we want to go. Why did I go there? Now I have to see this. Try again your database data. Your query was. Yeah, so maybe your query was is a better thing to search on. There. So we can scroll to this. So username. Hello. And password. Password. So it hops there, but it's not like pretty. So how do we get out of this now? Let's just see what happens if we do it here. It escaped it there. So do I have any cool stuff, or should we just think? So, like, what characters are escaped? Do we have anything on that? Like, or we'll just go to hack tricks. I think there's a list there. These are more like when we have or already got there. Yeah, so my brain said, did you try putting a backslash there? And I didn't, so let's do it. Come on, that's a backslash. Why do I wrong keyboard? Whatever. So it didn't escape the escape character. So it should escape the escape character now. And then do the OR. But it did also remove the comment. I keep doing that. So this should really give an error, right? The one dash is there. Okay, let's put more dashes. Again. More dashes. So what if we do 3 dashes here? Or 4? Oh. So it replaces that with fail lol. That's what it does. I should like remove this page so I don't keep doing that. So what if we do 3? There are other ways too, right, to comment. So let's... How many times is that? Let's do this instead. So... let's just delete this one. There. Semicolon instead to end the statement. So better filters are no match for you. Should we make some notes on this? That's what I'm thinking. It's mostly logic, right? So like getting past escape the shards escaped and replaced shards, right? So if is replaced with yeah, we need to try adding a like let's answer the question. So we have that done. There. If dash dash is replaced, try ending the statement with, right? So, and I actually updated my notes today, so they're updated on GitHub for anyone interested. So let's see. This be great password. I heart strong password. Hello, hello, hello world. Hello, strong password. I'm like, let's put the like a better example. Right, this was the semicolon thing too, because the normal one is like, then we can have this example here. Yeah, that's good enough. And we'll add stuff as we use them, right? Not. And we're deleting this one, not that one. Cookie vault. Cookie Monster sure loves cookies. He looks them away in a high security cookie vault. Can you break it? So this all reminds me of Nada's. We should finish that, by the way. Ah, cute image. One of them didn't have an image. So, let's do username. Password. Submit query. Invalid login. We go and check what happened. Cookie vault auth 0 expires Sunday. Cookie vault access portal, please log in. And then we have the one with the invalid login. And the cookie is here. So let's take this one. And let's put this one to 1. And let's see what happens. And that was all we needed to do. Ooh. But that's a third one, I think, that we just changed the cookie. Well, I shouldn't complain. Shouldn't complain that they are easy. I didn't even read it. Cookies aren't always secure. Hit some data in this website. So can you find it? You may want to look how the website is loaded. Have some hats. We got lots of hats. So these are for Captain Coder then. He has lots of hats. So let's start with just looking here. So we can't see much here, just images. So let's go check. We might even want to intercept this one. So why look at that one? Yeah, this is not a lot, right? So let's turn intercept on. They hinted to, and I'm going to control F5, and we have this request, but we want to intercept responses to this when we forward it, and we just got this. So nothing very odd here. Oh, we have a secret message. So we didn't need to look more at it, really, right? It was that simple. Yeah, so I have to say I'm a tiny bit surprised or disappointed or whatever that it's not. I thought they would be harder. So, buy hats. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the website. Down came the shells and washed the spider out. Shells? Okay, so we're supposed to do a shell now. But it's good that there are hints, right? If this is even a hint. So we want it to kind of load, right? Nothing yet. Let's take the opportunity to update the pages. Well, we'll see if this is actually supposed to be like this. We could try it here. So here it's loading quickly, right? This is also slow. I'm just gonna update it again and make sure that that thingy disappears. Because this one is nice now. We can also update and see how many of the web ones have we done now. Uh, 16. So how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There's a lot of them. We can play with this for some time more. So maybe that's the reason why they are not extremely complicated, because there are a lot of them, right? So, but I do want to do this too. We started this one, but then I don't remember. Right, the Antisyphon training started. That's what happened. So I had to stop. That's why. So we downloaded the binary and the source code, and we started it in R2. And then I didn't have time. But I want to do the buffs. But let's do more web stuff. So there's also, of course, all the others. Well, this one, I've actually asked them a question if this one is like, doesn't work. It's this one, but the name of it in Malwarebytes, it says like AI and a random number, I think. So maybe it's changed from when they made this. I think a lot of these questions are like 2020-ish, 2019, because I got such dates on things. Maybe that's not it. Here's this 2016 too, on a date. But the password was 2019. Someone corrected database containing information gathered. Yeah. I want to do all of these. I don't want to have a time limit. But let's do web stuff now, right? And let's see. Yeah, so I don't know what's wrong with my machine, but this one doesn't stop loading. Let's actually fully update the page. So something is off. It wasn't just this one that didn't start. So let's restart burp. We don't need these things. We have all the things already. And here's right. Let's close this too. So let's start it again. We want a terminal up to. And this one should fail because burp is not started yet. So I should really have started burp first. Loading problems. Oh, that's a lot. No, we won't. Yeah, good. Spiders love crawling around. Okay. So, we definitely needed this, but we just did a Go Buster, right? So, the problem is that it's slow. But hopefully not slow. Let's do the next at the same time again, as we did last Go Buster. Atomic vulnerabilities. What it was, a spider. One of Whisper's developers editing a production site with Atom over FTP using a popular plugin. Can you see if anything might have gotten uploaded unintentionally? Ooh, over FTP. We are Whisperster. So, right, you remember we had an extra on a menu a bit ago, one of the extra. This is just hopping to further down. We can just scroll. No real fun stuff, right? Same page. I don't remember what it said. Right. So I'm thinking we're supposed to look again at the page. But it can also just be like this. Website template. That's a long thing. So of course we have to see what it is, right? Maybe I should have started looking here. Because it wraps. No. It usually decodes. Yeah, it's an image. That doesn't say much though. It might just be a normal image, but it might not be it. You never know with these things, right? So it's probably just a normal image. But we never know, so we try stuff anyway, right? Let's put this in a temp. Right. I don't really want it here. Oh. Here's where we have all the stuff. So I had to open it manually since we didn't download anything since we restarted. Temp. Yeah, it's just this tiny image. The tiny image. But you never know, you know? Is that like a modern stuff? Yeah, so let's see if it's going somewhere. Maybe this is the opportunity to test the SAP thingy, though I don't feel comfortable with that yet, because I only tried it once. So I want to do the same with the other site. It is different sites. And I'm not doing like max. Oh, whatever. So let's copy that link and let's paste it here. And so if they've left some unintentional files in some directory here, you know, that's why I'm thinking maybe it shouldn't even be in the meta fail one. So it's just 3%, but I'm removing the meta field because I think that our unique must be that number, right? So it might be like some common name at the same level as it. Whatever. We don't know anything. And this is just host with the port. And it's 72%. So I don't want to do 3 at the same time. So what else could we possibly look at here? We could look at robots. If it's that again. Yeah. So, dear robot, be nice. Okay. So we got it here. So we can really stop that. Now this site, this should not be findable. Robots need some love too. So let's just put this in here. Yeah, I should have thought of that when they said this. It was like a clear hint. And it's the first thing I would usually do, but not for these. So let's stop this one. Yeah, let's look at the site again. This looks more like a normal site, and we have users and stuff, you know. Names. But it's probably something quick too. One of Whisper's developers was editing a production house over FTP with Atom over FTP. And I've never used Atom, so I don't know if there's anything special using a popular plugin. So maybe there's like something special with this, so we need to Google. So let's check. It's talking about mostly the same, right? I should have it up on the other screen. Let's see. It's not finding anything yet. A plugin for Atom that is simply perfect. PayPal. I'm just waiting. No, I'm not just waiting. Wait. This is the one that they mentioned, so. temporary server. So I don't want to dig into this too much. What did we have on the page? Did I check everything? So we didn't have anywhere to enter anything, right? This is to the scene too. I feel like I've been at the computer for too long. Right, so none of these say like developer or something. And you couldn't click them. What's this? Nothing. Yeah, right, we have this field. This is probably something. Hello. Oh. That's the old one. Oh. It has Cookie Vault because it's... Oh. Right. But that's odd. It's like the same site, you know. I think it's because of that. I don't even remember what I was doing. Let's just yeah, email hello, right? That was the thing. And that's a background image. Let's just send this one. It's a page. It's the only page we have so far, right? What could we do with the whole email? So first of all, let's just make sure that this one doesn't do anything. It's a bit long, right? Get full year. Well, that's smart. Copyright and the current year. Not like something. I like that. But I have no scripts on my page. So I'm thinking we can just delete this one, right? I'm not gonna look at it all again. So let's What on earth could the email field? Could we do something here? We could have this. Let's see if it found anything. Look. It did. No, it didn't. It didn't. It's just one of those odd error lines. And I don't think it will find anything. But did I even look at, like, did we check robots for this one? Let's check both. Right, so I'm also not in that directory. So yeah, so we're just doing one now. We can do the other one at the same time, but this one is on 97. I'll just check on my phone. So many messages I didn't read here. They're finished. So, what's the directory name? Metafail. Metafail. I should like read those, right? Metafail. Okay. So my toes are cold. Let's get some socks. These are nice. Wool socks. It's getting cold now. I think I'm going to send a message to my hubby too that I want Thai food. It's time for Thai food, right? Thai food time. Let's see. Well, this is kind of boring, right? We need to do something. This is the first one that's this slow. Oh, kids. I'll be right back. Yes, love. So, there. Nothing new. Not surprised. Couldn't really fix this today. So I have some tea. My kids wanted some food. I think I need something in my tummy before we eat dinner. So today I've eaten one risifredi. It's not very much. There. So a little cinnamon bun and some tea. Let's see if I can. There. But let's read the task again. And see if we can see anything. My God. Lots of 5, this one too. So very warm tea, but if I dip the bun in it. So maybe we'll skip this one, but it feels like a dumb thing to do. Yeah, so I thought about this too. So we've been using GoBuster. We could just do Ferrix Buster too. I don't want to type that. Let's copy. And this is recursive, so let's just I just want to copy normally. Copy selection. How complicated can it be? So it's a bit fun how different they are. I know that this one also looks at pages and uses those links. So I don't have a spoon or anything. Oh, I have chopsticks. In case I drop this. There's kind of nothing there. And the full one was with Metafail. So something here. I mean, it didn't find this one even. And obviously it's there, right? Right. Word list. So that's not in the word list for any of the tools. So if I don't solve this one, I guess we'll have to continue too. But I did start searching for these, but I don't want to dig into it too much. I have limited time, so we can just do this one later too. Well, let's just close those. I'll just wipe my flask off a bit here. Gee. Let's read this once again. Atomic vulnerabilities. Let's actually... No. So there was a few hits. So didn't even search for vuln. So there might be configuration files from it, of course. But I don't know if I want to look at this now. I don't want to spend too much time on any of them. Just a sec. I'm hungry. I don't want to scan anymore. Oh, we didn't find anything. That's a bit odd. I'm just curious if this is even in here. It's supposed to highlight all. I don't see anything. I guess we have this up. How many are we done now? Are we still at 16? Or 17? It's just one. So these are today anyway from oh, let's do the next one. If I don't think of something very quickly now. I feel like I want to do other stuff on web too, you know. Maybe we should do the buffer overflow things. Us hopping between them a bit. Let's look at the next one here. No, that one's done. Your company, the Impossible Survey. Your company just developed a new product, and before releasing it to the public, they hope to gauge the reactions from their employees through a survey. As an interactive, the participant gets a gift card after completing it. The company-wide email was sent a while ago, yet no one has committed the survey or claimed the gift code. Can you be the first one? So there's some bug in it, I guess. Okay, this is funny. So we're on Docs. Google.com Forms. Ooh. Too short. Is that 50 characters? This might just be the bug, right? Yeah, we were definitely over 15. So, should we click the image or the video? Very, very good video. So we're supposed to complete the survey, and that's the challenge. So I'm sorry for being a bit unfocused. Oh my god, I YouTubeified it. Let's actually delete it all. So yeah, I don't know how these works. So the page we're sent to. The impossible survey. Which is kind of hinting that it is impossible, right? Then we get a million YouTube ones. The link that I have, it is this. Farms. I guess this is Google. So we never really go to that page. So hello, Gaben. So my hubby said he'll be late today. So oh, just checking my phone here. He said he sent a message. So I'm thinking maybe I shouldn't like stream this forever. Maybe I should like maybe I shouldn't do it. I don't know. So I did open the same thing on the other one. We will have, because the difference is this. Yeah, so they want us to finish this impossible survey, which is kind of interesting, right? So we can switch accounts. We are logged in now. It feels like a clear form. So if we answer this, it says it's too short. So if we put more things here, it still says it's too short. So let's just put some random stuff here. And it feels like we can't type anything because it's Google. Hi, VR. We don't want to hack Google, do we? So how do we get this one to work? This one isn't going good, and the last one didn't either. So that's the first two. There's one more that I haven't finished that I started, or rather that others I haven't finished because I haven't finished them. So yes, it's like I don't even wanna like scan stuff really over the real internet when it's not a VPN, and this feels very. What am I supposed to do here? Do something stupid like say that it is at least this, right? So it is this is 60 characters. So Google survey impossible to finish. Yeah, it's starting to get cold. We have 6 degrees now, but I have 26 inside, so. My kid was knocking, so I'll go check. Actually, I'm going to order some pizza. Oh, I opened it twice. Okay, so this is from the administrative side. Yeah, so I'm thinking, should I stop? Because I've got a bit of pain too. It's probably the cold. Or whatever it is, COVID or whatever it is. But also, I don't know. I would continue, you know. Yeah, this is also from the administrative side. I guess that they create this uniquely for me. So I'm supposed to change things here. Draft saved. What's this? I have no idea what to do with this. And I feel I have to be careful, you know. So, but let's just send a lot of characters. So we'll have tested that at least. So it worked. Part 2. What do you like the most about it? Would you recommend? Yeah, of course, we're very so. Oh gosh. Please don't select more than one response per column. Okay. Yes, I'm going to order food. Should probably do that. So requires one response per row. Am I supposed to like? So let's hop over to this one again. It should work here too, right? Maybe a bit too much. So, how does this work really? So, I don't think this is sending stuff here, is it? Client validation file. I mean, we could report to Google that this is not correct. You can't select this. Oh, let's make the call. So what temperature do you have, VR? Let's see here. Phone. So what should I eat? I don't really want pizza. So maybe something like this. It just looks the same, all of it, right? So let's... So, I really would like Thai food instead. Maybe I should go and get Thai food. Nothing sounds good of this. If I take a pizza, I will like eat not very much. If I take a kebab roll, it was last time it's kind of like it's like 4 meals in it for me, and it's like not as good. Oh gosh. After a bit. So this is a double bread. Maybe. What's in it? Mushrooms and shrimp. Mexican pizza. I think I had calzone, but it's so much cheese. I don't like the cheese. So much. Too much cheese. So what about a flat one? So it just doesn't sound very good. Hawaii, maybe. I think they have like Pozzola. Where is that? Oh, they call it Princess. Maybe I'll take one of these today. I think I'll do that. Let's try it. So calling them. Hej, jag skulle vilja beställa en kebabpizza utan grönsaker. Och en pizza med bara räkor, med mycket räkor. Yes. Och en prinsessia. Pizzabröd också, tack. Precis, det stämmer. Tack så mycket. Hej. So, they knew the address. Never ordered there before. So, let's see. Let's go back to the problem. How do we select a response in everyone, but not more than one per column? There's like a problem here. I don't know what to do with this. Let's see. Do they have any more normal problems? You forgot the Wi-Fi password to the company's network, so your colleague pointed you to. Granted, the credential you specified a while ago to check off. So now it's a local one. Yeah, that makes me feel much safer. Let's see here. Yes, I'm thinking I might hop to buffer overflow instead. This one we want to open in on this. Well, this is something stupid like form completed, you know? We'd have to make our own and see what it's called. Not a list. So, log out unprotected page. C3 internal knowledge base, please. Plus, log in below to access the employee guide. Okay, we're not authorized. Login error. So, let's look. So I saw it once where authorized false, right? Let's just set these to true. Oh. We still have login error line. Maybe these are old. Let's just delete the whole cookie thingy. Set cookie. So we got a new of those. Kind of thought these were old. So and these are bad. So I really kind of wanna do something else now. Maybe I should just do something else then. Or take a break. Maybe it's break time. I was doing it before I started streaming. So it says those. Let's close that. So how many questions? It's still 17. Looks like odd. They've been going quite quick before that. Right. So let's actually do like binary exploitation or something. So I guess if we go by these numbers, we should do reconnaissance. But I think that's yeah, so I have had some fun with this one. I've spent too much time on it. I discovered a font with those characters. That's what this is. But I also found other things, like an image with numbers for them. We'll see. We'll see if I continue that. I felt like I had done too much time on it. I also looked for data in the image. I didn't find anything. But there may be something there too. So Python, right? There was this. I need to know how to get this to be readable. So what's this? In early October 2016, headlines of, I suppose, Apple ID password of the chairman of Hilton. So this is one of those we just Google. This is the reconnaissance, right? So probably don't have to care. So what was his name? (2016) early. I didn't even read the full question. I should have. Nah, I don't want to do this. I want to do something else. But I'm very tired. Let's see, what am I not too tired for? Files, maybe. Let's look a bit at that. Let's actually close burp. So, we need to activate the others. And by the way, maybe this is what we're supposed to do. It topped up, you know, since it's 19. So I want to do these too. Finish this. It's 92%. Maybe we'll do that later. So let's scroll down to wherever I was. So, well, when I started the day, okay. Oh, I have burp on. So that took me more than one update. That means I'm not like awake. Maybe I should. Oh, this is buggy. No, there. So, I'm just confirming. CorpNet traffic. Yeah, so we have a traffic and we have a CorpNet traffic. So let's remove the traffic. Good thing I checked there. There we have the buff I want to do. We also have me trying to disassemble Python with Python, and it didn't work. I think I actually got output from one of the tries, but I wanted it as a file, and that I didn't do, and then I like stopped it. Whatever, let's leave those files. Oh right, we have an APK too. I don't have the question up, so I can't do that one. But I can search for it, I guess. If we search for APK. No, it's not popping up. I don't know where that's from. I think it's definitely from this, but it might be the retired ones. I just scrolled through there a bit. So let's look at the PCAP. Oh, finally we have a PCAP NG. Well, finally. It doesn't matter, right? So let's just first do a strings on it. And let's see if there's flag there. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm tired. That's not it. So let's just generally do one. This is a long file though. So I think this is supposed to be an easy one though, which means that it will probably be like at the start or end if we get anything. Right. I thought of something. Let's do one of these. That's a lot of them. So let's actually open it normally. If you can save time, you can save time. I haven't done any files things today, I think. So it would have been fun. But if it's yeah, I'm tired. I'm just going to hop to the find where we got it from, right? Yeah, so this kinda whatever. Here it is. Time to rotate credentials. Corporate packet capture series. A packet capture of traffic reveals some sensitive credentials. Plain text. So it doesn't say anything. And this is probably why. Right, I should have searched for like password instead. I'm so tired. I should probably like actually rest. And let's do C5 10, and it has to be capital C. Family room TiVo. That doesn't sound like a password. I guess that we just try it. Nah, it wasn't right. so tired. So let's do a few more lines so we know, like, maybe this is where we're supposed to look anyway, you know? Yeah, and we're doing string, so we don't see everything because it's binary data. So let's search for God. Let's please specify the password, and then that's FTP. Oh, then these are the lots of DNS stuff. So was there no more FTP? Threads over wire? That's very odd with that long distance. Oh right, you can't see. It was correct. So let's do the next one. Dave was working late on his computer when he decided to order some pizza. I don't recognize that situation. Well, it's not that late. It feels late. Around the same time, malware was detected being installed in the startup folder of his computer profile. Using the included log event, can you identify the malicious domain he visited so that we can add it to our denial list? So we get some files. Why not? Let's look at it. First of all, let's close this. And let's remove that, and let's download the file. Instant. Who ordered the malware? I see the next one is an image, but like that. I want. Maybe I shouldn't have done all the web ones at once like that, but I kind of felt it was efficient. But I kind of got tired of it, especially that odd form one. Mostly I'm just tired, right? So I'm blind. Yeah, I found it. How did you unzip a 7-zip? I added that to my notes the other day. So, no. I should have added it to my notes the other day. Yeah, so I think it was probably very easy, right? I'm tired. 7 sip. So how many do we need? I think I did this the other day. Maybe I just did some like unzip and it worked. Yeah. So we didn't have 7C either. We did. Oh. That's why. Hmm. 7C E. Oh. Okay. Only. Now I have to make a note, of course, of this. That's what I wanted for my notes. We're gonna put the help in here too. There. Let's see if there are more. I don't think so. No. I don't know what we had up here, but oh, all the SQLi stuff. Whatever. I've only looked at one of these files recently. I haven't done it before. Because you usually just look at them in your computer, right? What happened to this one? Yeah, so I will do that one, but I want to do this one first. So I need something easy. I'm kind of assuming with these that it's not, we're not supposed to read it, right? The name of the file. So I think this is what they look like when they're normal. And I haven't managed to extract anything from any one of those. So let's actually look at the image. I didn't write. So I'm actually more comfortable in a graphics program in Windows. So let's just open this here, and let's just try and squish it because it looked like text, right? Just very stretched text. And there was another one. So let's just open it again. And let's do it the other direction. And let's copy this. And let's paste it here. Or rather, let's actually first do that. And then we paste it here. Okay. The reCAPTCHA of the 21st century. See if we can type this. We're at 21st century. It's green. It's correct. Maybe we should do some more easy ones. But I think the one before this was easy though. Let's see. Received and forwarded attachment from Caroline Williams. Analyzes Word document. Note, we put the document in encrypted zip file to make it easier for download. The password is macro. So it is safe, it says there too. Yeah, I'm like still thinking, should I continue? Maybe I shouldn't. We'll see when the pizza get here, right? The pizza get here. So, it was actually on the image. So, easy. How did we do the last one? We unzipped it. That's what I did. So, unzip. Overdue. So let's if we bin walk the oh right, we need to say which one. Let's actually remove the other one. Oh my god, that's a lot. Let's just E it, because it will make a directory unzip won't, right? CD so CD, this is too much. Oh, it's not a directory, that's why. What are we looking for? No. I know there was this nice tool to find these, but I don't remember what the name is. Oh, that's probably the pizza. You have to find the tool. pizza. And I had to walk a lot. So I'm kind of thinking, I'm copying the email address. No. Why would I do that? To search for it in these. So what is doc props? Let's see if it says something about macro in here. And remember to actually do grep too. No. So dots are not included in star. That's not good. What were these called? Not anything like that. Oops, that's not on purpose. Very annoying. No, I don't think. I think I will stop streaming. I will eat my pizza. Because my body is also feeling a bit off. So, who to raid? So, let's. I'm sorry if this is a slow stream. If this has been a slow stream. So I think that you can't hear stuff from right? From my desktop now. That's kind of nice, because if I were to get like an echo or anything, you wouldn't hear it either. Oh, you can't hear the TTS now. Right. So I'll have to fix that for next time. So, let's see. We're gonna read. Oh. Okay, so they're just reading. So that failed. The person I was reading rated. I just got it into the raid thingy. So who else could we do? I guess we will do this one though. Let's see. I think they're kind of like finished. But whatever. I hopefully will have time to read at least. Reading off sick now this time. So, what happened by the way? There were 4 people, and when I talk about rating it's 2? Well, we'll see. We'll see. Whatever. No, it's 3. Not logical. Not logical. So anyway, thanks for being here, even if you're quiet. Lurkiness, okay. Yes, I'm really like off. I feel off. I'm still sick. It's not that strange that I feel off, right? So I'm gonna click the read now button. Thanks everybody, bye bye. Short stream today. And very odd stream because I've been like slow. Bye bye. And have a nice weekend.